Tomwajayi, known as Dakin Tomwa. So you welcome to my very fresh YouTube channel. This is my very first YouTube video, and please, I want you to support me by subscribing to my channel, liking this video so I can create more helpful content like this. Thank you. So I'll be teaching you how I landed my full-time remote job coupled with freelancing gigs in the last 2 to 3 months. So this method is very simple and it is basic. These are not new stuff you need to learn. These are like regular things you do day by day, but this is just like trick of how you can do it, like automate the whole process. So we'll be using tools like Crunchbase, Apollo, LinkedIn, and ChatGPT. So Crunchbase here is like a database of startups and unicorns, over 3 million startups and unicorns. So you can actually have access to informations of these startups, like the investors behind them, the founders contact, the tech stack they're using, probably JavaScript, PHP, stuff like that. You can have access to their location, anything you just want to know about them, it is out there. So let's get into it. Let's proceed to search companies. So note that this Crunchbase account I'm currently using is a free trial, which I activated with just $1. So you can also use the free version, it's fine. And please check the links below where I provided link to sign up on this platform. If you be signing up on Apollo, please use the link so you can actually have access to the free trial with my own link. If you use any other link, the free trial won't be activated. So yep, let's get started. So we have 3 million results here of companies, startups, different niches, and all of that. So please, you see these companies here on the home page, don't apply to them. These are companies with so much competition you get, so it might be tiring for a newbie watching this video to like get into companies like this, and sending cold emails to companies like this, you would barely get a response from them. They're just busy folks. Yep. So we have suggested searches here, and we'll be working with one of them. Let's go for these recently funded AI companies. So this method works for designers, developers, data analysts, anyone, any tech career, it works fine. So if you want a job in the AI niche or fintech, whatever, and you can also come up with your own search prompt by putting it in this search feed here. Excuse me. Okay, so let's proceed. We have now the 65 results here, and I think we just need to work with less than 150, I guess. So let's niche down this search result. Let's bring it down. So number of employees, I personally prefer 1 to 10 or 1 to 50. Why? Because I love working in a very small team where my contributions and opinions really matters. Do you get? And your contribution would like affect the companies positively faster than a very big company. Do you get? So I would reduce this down to 10. Yep, I'm good with 10. So do not touch this. You do not have any business with founded this one here. This actively I do not touch it, because this would only work if these startups, if they have a career page, and I would say 90% of them don't have a career page. They are using Notion or some kind of hiring platform like Bamboo HR. So you ticking this checkbox here might just give you none, like 0 results. So I'm going to leave that. And last funding date, you don't have any business with this. You don't have any business with this. You might just even remove this, but let me just leave it. So yeah, you don't have anything to touch here anymore. You don't have any business with the revenue. Just leave it this way. It's none of your business. So moving forward, these companies here, you can see the number of employees, you can see the industry, AI, of course, like the prompt we currently have, which is the funded AI company. So you should be looking forward to seeing just AI companies. We can see the headquarters. We have Singapore, we have USA, we have India, we have Canada, and the likes. So this description here is what the company does. So you could just easily check what they do and stuff like that. So this CB rank, you don't have any business with this. This is like ranking of these companies on Crunchbase. So this one now is like 79 out of 3 million. So they are doing pretty good. Thank you. Moving forward, let's get into it. So we have different startups there. I think I'm attracted to this Magic School AI. I don't know why. So let me just click Magic School AI. Okay, they just got funding August of this year, August 28th, $2.4 million, which is good. 11 investors, one employee profile. So do not believe these employee profiles. Do not believe. So we still need to like do a very deep research. So I'll be going to this website, which is a landing page. So this is it. So let me go to Apollo. So there is a link below in this video. So I think there are three links. The first one would be to go to Crunchbase. The second one would be to sign up on Apollo. So please make sure you use the link I provided for Apollo, so you can get free trial for a long period of time. If you don't use it, you might just need to you might be forced to pay for it. So I've logged into my Apollo account. Shit, man. Okay. Yep. So this is my Apollo account, and Apollo works like this. So if you stumble upon any website, any startup or any website, and you need to get emails of probably the founder, the CTO, the founding engineer, or any other person on the team. If you need to get their emails, just head over to Apollo. So you need to install Apollo extension. So the extension allows you to spy. So you can see the extension here. It is this yellow draggable icon here. So it allows you to check details of the startup. So, and Apollos also allow you to automate the whole process and send emails that doesn't land in spam. Yep. So if I click on this extension here, so I get to see the overview of the company, how much they've raised so far, and if I go to this section of employees here, yep, very good. So this is the chief technology officer, which is the CTO. This is the founding engineer, chief of staff. So just send to just 3 people on the team. I would recommend the founder, the CTO, and probably the recruiting manager or another engineer. So we have the CTO here. So the Apollo allows us to even access the email of the CTO. If you check this, so verifying, yep, so this is the email of the CTO, and you can just copy and send mail, but it doesn't work that way. That is, I want to teach you a trick. So if I click on this contact here, it takes me to this place to know more about the CTO. So you can even get the number of CTO, but please do not send a code DM to this phone number. Please do not. You might get sued for that. So this is the we have this button here, add to sequence. So this sequence is like automation of emails you want to send to this CTO. So I created a template of email that works like fire. I created a template here in Notion. So I'm dropping the link also here below this video. So I created I talked about tips, timing, customization and personalization, professional email address. Then I also provided samples of code emails you should use. So please tweak them. Don't use this particular one so everyone doesn't end up sending same email to one company. So please make sure you tweak so you don't shoot yourself. So this sequence, you need to create a sequence. You need to load emails in the sequence. So once you load emails in sequence, the 3 emails, the first one is you reaching out an introduction, the second one is you doing follow-up. It should be a week after. So the third one is another follow-up again. So just give it a very long timing, so you don't disturb the person. So you don't need to like go all the way to Apollo again to start clicking on send emails. It is automated, so it goes itself. Do you get? That works that way. But if, so what I do is, if I would send email, so I click on this CC here. I CC um the maybe the CTO, and maybe the like two people like, I send the email to the founder directly, then I CC the CTO and the founding engineer or recruiting manager. So please skip, don't mind these emails. They are like emails of other founders and startups. So yes, um the shortest way without even going to Apollo, doing everything on the site is just you have to tick this CTO, tick this checkbox, founder, and maybe this chief of staff. So and click on this add to sequence. So once you add to sequence, the automation begins. They get their very first email. If it is scheduled or if it is automatic, it goes itself. Then the following week they get another email again. Then the last week they get the last email. So please always keep your eye on your email account, so when you get a response you can quickly respond. So that works that way. And let's try another one again. Let's check another company. um I think this law makes sense. So they have $15.5 million. Crazy, man. So please, I didn't mention this. Even if you don't want a remote job, if you want to like you want a gig, if you check this website is shitty as fuck. So as a designer or developer, you also pitch to them that you can design this better or code this better. Do you get? Just make sure you do something. Just make sure you get money from this startup. Pitch to them. Maybe you want to make a video, a better video, or you want to write a better video script for them. Just pitch something and make sure you get paid. So don't mention money in that email. Oh, please don't mention money. It is early to start price and all of that, except you own an agency. And even if you own an agency, that doesn't mean you should like mention your price at that very first email. So let's try this. Hello, they have $15.5 million with just 10 employees, 1 to 10 employees. So hello, hello, let's see. Oh, this is not bad. This is not bad. So we scroll down, we check. Please make sure you check what this status, what they are doing. Do you get? Please check, so you can personalize these emails. If you check how I go to my email here, you have to like appreciate what they do. Do you get? And make sure you see here, I recently came across so companies and was really impressed by something specific about the company or its product. You cannot use same template for all companies. Please take notes. Don't use same template for all companies. You have to personalize it so it doesn't show that you are just one random person just stumbled upon their website and you need a remote job or something. Don't look like you are just after the whole roll of money. So if I check here, oh, we couldn't find information on this website. Yeah, that happened. So if that happens, you have to like go to the footer to check their LinkedIn. Do they have a LinkedIn account? They don't have a LinkedIn account. So let me check LinkedIn. I'm coming. Okay, yeah, they have a LinkedIn account. So this is another step you can. This is another thing you can try. Check people working there. Check people working there. So yes, this is their product manager. This is their engineering leader. This is their principal. So You can also have their, you can even have access to their email from their LinkedIn. That's how Apollo works. Like your basic LinkedIn doesn't have this add-on here, so Apollo added it, so you can easily like even check box all of these, checkbox, then get their email, then add them to sequence. Please don't add everyone to sequence, just add top 3 folks in that company. Don't add everyone, don't buzz everyone in that company. It is very annoying. Code DMing is very, very annoying, and it is bad. So please just do it with caution, be very careful when doing it. So that is like this is the other second option I just provided. If you can't find the information on the website, just go to their LinkedIn. Then I think that is all about that. So if you have any question, please drop it in the comment section. I'll always be there to check, and I will respond as soon as I see your questions. So please sign up with the link I provided for Apollo, so you can have the free version, and also try all of their, what is it called, their features. So, and also you can add Apollo to your Gmail. Please do that. Add Apollo to your Gmail, so you can check when they open your email, and you can check the browser and every other thing they are using, so you can know how to schedule another email. So thank you very much. Subscribe and like this video.